Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. If you are facing this issue, let me show you. When you try to run the SFC command space scan now and you are facing this issue, Windows resource protection could not start the repair process or the service. If similar issue you are facing, this video tutorial I will show you step by step how you can fix this issue. So basically this issue occurs on your system due to Windows file corruption, or sometime if yours the bed sector you have on your hard drive or the SSD, and due to that you are facing this issue. So step number one is to fix this issue is simply run this command, DISM command. You can see the DISM command into my description box and also here. Simply you need to paste this SFC command RestoreHealth and clean up in unknown. If this is also not working in your Windows and also the SFC command is not working, so what you can do is you can run the SFC command into the offline mode. So how to run this in an offline mode, I'm going to show you in a VM. This also does not work in my system, but if that is working on your system, then once the DISM command is completed and it is restored some of the checks successfully, just try to again run the SFC command. Open your system settings and go to system. Scroll down and look for the advanced recovery options and restart advanced startup. Just restart it. Open troubleshoot. And if you see the command prompt on our system, I don't see the command prompt in my system. So you need to run this command into your system. You can see on the screen as well as you can type this command. This is the offline command and you should able to go to troubleshoot, and thereafter you should able to get the command prompt here. But if somehow you are not able to run it, so if that is also not working for you, just open your system services as administrator and click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard and look for Windows the service trust installer, this option, Windows modules installer, its name is trust installer. Just double click on that and make sure it is running. Set it to automatic, apply and start the service. This should be already running on your system, but I just show you if that is not running, you can run it or you can even restart the service here. And then after that, try to run this command. And most of the time, this will fix your issue. And if that is also not working, so we can go in advanced level. Simply open the CMD as administrator again, the same way, and download the ISO file of Windows 11 or 10. Simply go to this website and download the media, this option. And once this ISO is downloaded, Go to the downloaded location of your system, and I have already downloaded the ISO here. This is Windows. You need to right click on this, the ISO file, and simply mount it. And once you mount it, you will see it's opened in your the different drive, E drive. Make a right click on it and simply open it. Then you need to go to the sources, and you need to click on this option size, and make sure you choose the largest size to small. And you may see the install.est or install.wim. In my system it is install.wim, so we are going to basically this source to repair our Windows. So first of all, what we can do is you can just hit the up arrow key on your system, and you need to make sure hit this command DISM RestoreHealth, and now you need to put this source here after the space. So give a space / source colon. Now source will be this here, this drive. You need to copy this like this and simply paste it here, and now / and this install.wim. If that is install.est, just type that .wim. Give a space, and now you need to give this and type here LimitAccess. Press enter, and now this will repair your Windows using this ISO here. This is install.wim, and this will make sure to type this command carefully. The / you can see here, and once it is run correctly on your system, it will fix all the Windows corruption on your system with the help of ISO file. And thereafter restart your Windows and check back if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, you can also hit this command. This command will fix the bed sector inside your C drive. Type chkdsk space chkdsk space c colon this / /f space / r, and you need to press enter. And once you press enter, you need to press Y here, and thereafter you need to restart your Windows. And if you are using the hard drive, it may take 2 to 3 hours, and if you are using the SSD, it may take 30 to 40 or 1 hour at least. And after that it will fix the bed sector inside your drive, and it will be hopefully fix your issue. So these are the possible fixes to fix the issue, guys. And if nothing works for you, then I should suggest you to reset your PC and reinstall the fresh Windows. So this is the solution, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.